All right, Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and tonight is pizza night. We're getting ready for the holiday time, and we have 3 families over here. We're doing the Mediterranean diet, and this is part of the Mediterranean diet lifestyle, to be able to stay all together, spend some family time together, and enjoy food. So tonight, the children, they ask for pizza night, and can we have pizza with the Mediterranean diet? Yes, we can. So how much pizza? One pizza pie, I think you're saying a small pizza pie. I think that's the way that they say in America. A small pizza, about 12, 13 inches pizza. I am shipping for a little bit bigger because the children are gonna split the pizza. So this is a pizza for 2. Is it difficult to make the pizza dough? No, it's not difficult. Is it cheap? Yes, very cheap. You just need a good recipe, but for that, there are plenty of recipes, or you can get a recipe from my website, mealsforlongevity.com. The important is the proportion. So how many times can you have pizza? But if you ask an Italian person in Italy, they usually go out for pizza on the weekend. One time, Friday night, Saturday night, everybody has different habits. So in Italy, they do the Mediterranean diet just automatically because they were born with the Mediterranean diet. But the habits of the cultures are so established since the 1940s that everybody eats in the Mediterranean style way, according to the Mediterranean pyramid, just because that's what they're used to do since they were born. So for the other people that they are not born in Italy, or their parents are not Italians, or from Greece, or from Croatia, or from Morocco, Portugal, those are the areas of the Mediterranean diet. Spain, you have to learn how to do this. It's like learning a language. When I first came to the United States, I had to learn everything, the culture, the language, how to pay a bill, how to rent a place, how to drive. I had to take a new driver license. Even if I had a driver license in Italy, I had to learn how to drive in America and learn the rules and the regulation. So it's the same thing. If you want to eat the Mediterranean diet, you have to learn the rules and the regulations. The rules and the regulations are very easy. They're set by the Mediterranean diet pyramid. The latest update is 2020 on the Mediterranean diet. They update the Mediterranean diet pretty often depending on scientific studies. Sometimes they found out they made a mistake, so they always try to improve. That's the good thing. So the proportion and the frequency are set by the Mediterranean diet pyramid, and then the Mediterranean diet pyramid, it says to refer to the proportion indicated by each country where you live. So wherever you're listening in the world, most likely there is a guideline for healthy eating, and go and look for it. www, whatever government agency takes care of the Food Administration .com, .it, .pl. I don't know what your country is. Over there, you'll find the amount of serving that you're supposed to take. Now, when you work with me and you learn how to cook the Mediterranean diet, I'll teach you the original way, the Italian way. So, all my recipes, all the planners that is put together with the DIY meal builder, it will come available in 2025, most likely springtime. Is set on the rules of the Mediterranean diet pyramid with the proportions, so the quantities that they are organized and established for the Italians living in Italy. And why did I choose that? Because the Italian population is life expectancy is going up. Because I grew up with that, because it's very comfortable, and because I believe Italian they put passion in the food, and learning from the Italians the way we eat will give you quite a bit of surprising results. For that, go to my website, mealsforlongevity.com, learn more about the Mediterranean diet, learn about what I do. I'll go on with the pizza for tonight. I'm gonna let this rest for about an hour, and then I will shape the pizza. I will make some pizza round. I already got the order. I'm gonna do 4 cheese, 1 Roman style that is a thicker one, so I'm gonna use double dough, and then the cheese pizza, sausage, and pepperoni. So when you download my recipe, you just don't get a good recipe. You get also the recipe with the proportion, the quantities that are set by the Italian way to eat. That's what is unique. I've been working on this for the past 2 years. My name is Giuseppe Urbano. I am a professional chef, and I am here working for your health. Ciao!